Hey, it's Trevor here. Hope you're very, very well. So, got something really, really juicy for you here today. This is our latest release, drone footage videos with PLR. Now, initially you might think, drone footage videos? What kind of a name for a product is that, and what kind of a product is that? What you need to remember is that this is an asset, all right? You're getting 300 amazing, beautiful drone footage videos to sell and keep all the money yourself. Now this is incredibly popular, and I will show you, let me just move this, I can show you right now if we so here we are on Warrior Plus. This is the marketplace. These are the top sellers today, and here is drone footage videos, my latest release at #1. Plus we've got deal of the day. Sell this breathtaking drone footage, keep 100%. All right, so we're at #1. We've got deal of the day. It's a very, very popular offer, and this is why. It's because what you're getting is a tangible asset. You know, so many of the things that we see released on Warrior Plus claim to be able to make you money, you know, push button riches and all that kind of stuff. But in reality, do they actually do it? You know, you've probably bought quite a lot of them, and you've probably been disappointed, not in everything, but in a lot of things that you've found. Whereas this is, it's got intrinsic value, because you're getting not only the 300 videos that you can use for yourself, you can use in your own projects, you can sell any of them, you know, the whole package or in bundles. For example, you've got 300, you might say volume 1, 2 and 3, you might sell each volume for $97 each. If you just sold one lot of each volumes, you've made $300, and I'm only charging you $12.95. No brainer. It really is. There's so many things that you can do with this, but what it does do is it enables you to become a creator, a vendor immediately. So the minute that you click that button, you get instant access to these, and all of a sudden you're a vendor, you're a creator. Now we're also going to give you the rights to use the sales videos, so that can help you make sales if you want to sell it as a bundle as is. And because it's got PLR, as I said, this means that you keep all the money, and you can choose how much you want to sell it for. All right, so there are many, many things that you can do with this. One of the things you can do is you can break it up into smaller bundles. You can offer it as bonuses to increase your affiliate commissions. You can sell the whole package in one go and just sell it for more, or sell it for the same. It's up to you. You know, you choose what to do. You might decide to take maybe 10 or 20 for a front end product, and then take the others as the upgrades. You know, upgrade 1 could be get another 100, upgrade 2 could be get another 100, for example. So you can build your own funnel really, really quickly and really, really easily. Now, if you're wondering how would you deliver those, then you could just give links on Google Docs, for example, have the Google Doc page as your delivery page. If you're wondering how would you sell those, you can do the same. You can have your Google Docs page as your sales page, and literally just type up like a Word document to become a sales page. Right, so there's loads of ways that you can do this without having to have a domain or hosting or anything complicated like that. But most importantly, you get 300 of these for peanuts. All right, for peanuts with PLR. So very, very powerful, great way to make money, clearly very, very popular. That's why we're #1 on Warrior Plus, and that's why we got deal of the day. So if you get it through me, I'm going to give you some juicy bonuses. Let me take a look at those now. So ready and waiting for you inside your Warrior Plus account is the drone footage videos bonus access document. This is where you're going to get access to your bonuses. When you first come in, you will get the opportunity to go back through the upgrades if you'd missed them when you were coming through the funnel. If you just want to take another look, I've got the links there. There's also an opportunity for you to, for me to build your internet marketing business until you exceed $10,000 per month. We will work by your side. Now, you may have seen me promoting this. This is the 100K Alliance. This is myself, Fergal, and Max's brand new high ticket coaching program. Well, it's not even a coaching program, it's a done for you solution. It's a done for you solution where we've tried and tested several ways to make money. We've tested them for the last few months. They're making money. It's working for us. And now we've released this to the public, and already our members are making money. It's been incredibly popular. So if you're interested in that, all you need to do is click on that link there where it says click here now for details, and you'll go through and see all the information on that. Then your bonuses are going to be further down this document here. So your first one is brand new training on how to pimp plain text into a professional ebook to sell. Now, obviously what this is going to do is give you even more content, even more products that you can create at will whenever you want to. Also going to give you List Prodigy, so you can learn how to build your cash making email list, and with your email list then you can mail out your drone footage videos that you you've got the PLR rights to, for example. I'm going to give you 10 ways of generating free buyer traffic. I'm going to give you SEO Masterclass, also PickPhrase Pro and PickPhrase Pro OTO 1. So unlock instant access to 3,000 motivational image quotes, and the OTO 1, 10 extra results. I'm going to give you Rank Vault, new SEO software that ranks any site. And I'm going to give you Rank Vault Unlimited, then List Smasher 21 email hacks, and List Smasher traffic, plus PDF Dynamo 2 million articles, and PDF Dynamo Unlimited, plus how to make money online with Warrior Plus as an affiliate. So as you can see, there's a ton of bonuses there. So let me quickly show you the sales page now for drone footage videos. So it says get instant access to 300 drone footage videos with PLR rights, a huge collection of drone footage videos with PLR that you can turn into your own products and sell for huge profits or give away as bonuses and explode your affiliate commissions. You'll see here it says get instant access to drone footage videos PLR rights. It's the biggest collection ever seen in our market. You can use these videos on your own projects. You can bundle them and sell them, keeping all the money. You can use them for clients. You can save thousands of hours and thousands of dollars that you'd normally have to spend to get these created, and you've got them instantly. Now, not only do you get the 300 amazing drone footage videos, and also including PLR rights, but we're also going to give you the rights to use the sales video, as I said, to sell it. So all of this for $12.95 is just ridiculous. I mean, it is a no-brainer. You might also just pick it up, even if you don't know what you're going to do with it yet. Just grab it, because you're not going to regret it. So go through the sales page at your leisure, and then come down here, and you're going to see that we did a little bit of research, and just one video that people are selling online, $224, $199, for example. And these are the quality of the videos. You can come through here on our sales page, and you can click play on all of these and see the quality of the videos that we've got for you, and you'll realize why this has been so popular. Also going to throw in another bonus, which is my Pimper training, and the Pimper training shows you how to take a piece of PLR and flip that into something that's high quality that will sell. And there's the testimonials, and that is drone footage video. So, at first glance, you might think, well, that's a bit of a strange one, but now you probably see why this is so popular and why it's a no-brainer. So as always, if you've got any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. And in the meantime, go and grab this right now and get my massive bonus bundle if you're one of the first 50. So you got to get in as soon as you can. Also, get this at the lowest price right now during launch. So that's it from me. I'll speak to you soon. You take care.